have been asking me how to convert to Orthodox Judaism. Hi, I'm Batya. I'm a Filipina and I converted to Orthodox Judaism under the Rabbinate of Israel. For so long, I didn't have any Jewish community, no sponsoring rabbis, no connection, and no enough savings. How did I make it? So first, you need to educate yourself. You need to get yourself books. You need to listen to different rabbis. Second, you have to search all the Jewish communities in your country and try to reach out to them. Email them, call them. Okay, third, you have to start accepting things slowly. Maybe you start with snus, maybe keeping kosher, or maybe honoring Shabbat, Chagim, fast days. Number four, Judaism is a very expensive religion. So you need to make sure that simultaneously, while you're doing all these things, you have to have enough savings with you. Okay, and number five, this is the most important thing. You need to start moving to a Jewish community. Wherever you do your conversion, the basic requirement is that you need to at least have a 1-year Jewish community experience. And you need to make sure that you know the rabbi, you are active in the community, you attend all the services and all the Chagim. It does not end there, but once you reach number five, everything is going to move forward. I want you to remember that no one asked you to convert to Judaism. It's going to be difficult, we know that. It's going to be a long process, we know that. No one testified that it was easy for them. But if I made it all the way from the Philippines, a Filipina, against all odds, there is no reason that you can't. You're gonna make it.